In this tutorial, we would like to give you an overview on the Empower ribbon so that you can work the most efficient way whilst using all our features when creating new presentations or slides. We use the simplified ribbon, as you can see right on top, but if you want to change the ribbon view to a more extended version, you can also do so. Please check our tutorial on the slides user settings to learn more about how to change your ribbon view. The Empower ribbon is structured from left to right so that you know which steps to follow when creating new presentations. In the group Start, you can access our Empower library in the full view window. So if we do so, we open up the complete library here. Or you can click on the button New to directly navigate to the master template section and choose the desired master template to begin with. Alternatively, you can also open up a presentation that you are currently working on from your user library, if the user library is activated in your company. The group Insert offers you options on how to structure your presentation with the help of the feature agenda, or how to insert either new slides using layouts from the master template or accessing the Empower library here as well as further elements that can be accessed via the split button elements or directly via the quick access pane on the right hand side. In the group Edit, you have access to the text and coloring groups where all information is stored brand compliant when it comes to fonts, font sizes or colors to use when creating new content. You can use the layout tools in the group Align to further format elements on your slides in a very efficient way and ensure that they are placed in the working area, and you can use all elements and features stored in the split button check to ensure that your content is brand compliant. In addition, you can also quickly share contents without being in need to save them locally first on your device. In the group Extras, you have some additional features available to access, for example, other tutorials that we have on our YouTube channel, or you can seek for help while reporting a bug as well. I hope this tutorial gave you a great overview on which features are available, and check all our other tutorials to have a more in-depth sight on how to use Empower.